Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to install a motherboard into a computer case. First, what you're going to need is a screwdriver, some screws, and a motherboard. Oh, and don't forget the case. First of all, we're going to need to know where each hole goes on the motherboard. They're going to go in each little hole of those. We're going to screw them all in so it can be in place. Before doing anything else, you need to ground yourself. By doing this, you just grab the case either like this or on the desk, so it won't get any static on the board or any other pieces that go inside the computer, so it won't damage it. So just keep that in mind, or as a tip. Okay, so I'm gonna move this out of the way. Alright, so first we're going to place this on here. It has to fit in here. Alright, so what I did is I put these onto the faceplate on the behind, so you can see the connectors. Yeah, they're kind of off. I'll push them in a bit. So I gotta push them in. Right. Let's see. Okay, you're gonna see that there's a little hole, so you can plug them in. You can just screw them in, all the little holes. Alright, so let's start. So we're gonna start top left. So you gonna line this up. Gonna put this right on the hole, and we screw it in. And there we go. There's one. Here's the bottom right. I'm gonna put this in. Alright. There we go. Perfectly. There we go. Now for the next one. Now we're gonna put the top right. Should be a lot easier now. And let's put the bottom left too, as well. We should have this on here. Alright. And there you go, there's one missing a screw there, but I'll fix that right now. And there you have it. There's all screwed in place. It's all a complete motherboard. It shouldn't be falling off anymore. Let's pick it up. There you go. All complete.